Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of ketchup, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Also, prepare your dry spices such as 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready to go. Next, let's combine the liquid base for our sauce. Pour the 2 cups of ketchup into your saucepan. Then, add the 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now, stir in the 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or you can use molasses for a richer flavor. Whisk these ingredients together over low heat until they are well combined and the sugar has dissolved. Now it is time to add the flavor. Stir in your 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. You can also add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little heat. Whisk everything together until the sauce is smooth and all the spices are fully incorporated. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes or so. Finally, taste your barbecue sauce and adjust any seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more vinegar for tang. Once you are happy with the flavor, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool completely. This cooling process allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Transfer your delicious homemade sauce to an airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.